Can your hairdryer dry your hair in under 5 minutes? Probably not, so it's time for you to get Tideway. My hair was partially air dried, so it did dry in 3 minutes, but when it's sopping wet, Tideway does its magic and dries my hair in 5 minutes. My old hairdryer used to dry my hair in like 10 to 15 minutes. It does come with a diffuser, so it's safe for all the hair girlies. There's 4 different kinds of heat settings: cool, warm, hot, and a combo. Tideway's technology helps keep the temperature at a safe level for your hair. Black Friday pricing is unbeatable right now, 70 to 80% off depending on the model you grab. You can get the gold one for under $50 right now. This really is a game-changing hair dryer. I'm so glad I got it, and I think everybody else needs one, so it's going to be in that orange cart below for you to grab.